Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you a-okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from down a yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right on over here, special welcome to you. Thank you so very much for joining the family. Those of you who are there with me from the beginning of this journey and you're still here, manners and respect. Now this video is just a small video, and around this video we're going to be sharing with you how you can go about making a dry rub for your meat. This one specifically is going to be speaking to pork. We're going to be doing other ones that shows you for the chicken, the beef, and also I'm going to be showing you one for like lamb or mutton. Okay? Now a dry rub, it entails, it can't be anything that is wet. It's like scallions and grated onions. It has to be something of a dry consistency that you have got to grind, and also some powdery mix. Now, I'm going to be showing you as I go along what I'll be using for mine. It is for pork. Somebody had asked me on the last video that I put up, what did I use for the rub? So the very first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using some red chili flakes, some coriander seeds. I'm going to be using some garlic flakes. If you don't have garlic flakes, you've got to use garlic powder. Okay? Also, I'm going to be using some grounded ginger. For the pork, ginger and garlic is a must in the dried form for this dry rub. Also the pimento seeds, but the garlic and the ginger must be must. So let us proceed to do these that we grind first. From time to time you've always seen me use my mortar, but now today I'm using a grinder. So we're going to put in our pimento seeds. We're going to be putting in some red chili flakes. I'm going to be putting in some coriander seeds. I like to use coriander on my pork because I find out that it gives my pork a really, really nice gig. And also, I'm going to be using right here some garlic flakes. Okay? So I'm going to be using the flakes to get it in the blend. Okay? Going to put in on their thing. And we're going to be going over here. This card is so short. That's how they make them. So you're going to be grinding. You know, it makes a little noise, not a lot. So you're going to be grinding to the consistency. We soon return it. Okay, family. This is what we have. And this freshly grounded stuff here. This is what is going to make the difference in your jerk, your barbecue, your grill, your smoke, all of those things. This is so fresh. It has a different flavor as opposed to one that is pre-done. Okay? This is the freshness. Okay? Now, to the powder, we are going to be using a little cayenne pepper. I'm going to be using some paprika. I'm also going to be using, remember, none of these stuff don't have salt. And most importantly, we are going to put in the ginger. We don't want to leave the ginger out. If you have got a dehydrator, and I'm trying to get me one, but I just can't see any that seem to, you know, they more look like a dolly house. Some little thing will look like a play where I play a dolly house. But I'm going to get me one. Okay? So I can do my own fresh ginger, get it dehydrated. You want to put in here some ginger. Grounded ginger. Look at me. Look at me now. This is not for I throw it out, sorry. So we'll be using like about a teaspoon. This one not smelling bad at all, but you know, it's ginger, it's a dry rub, so you've got to use the ginger powder, okay? So you want to make sure that is in. None of these things that we're using as salt, so you want to make sure. I'm not going to leave any proportionate measurements, I'm just showing you now. But in other videos, I'll tell you the proportion to the amount of meat. This goes to the amount of meat, okay? Remember, we don't have any salt and all of those. So you also want to put regular salt. There is no salt there. You want to put in your paprika. Put in enough to give you a nice color. And all of that, because you want to get a nice color out. Although sometimes when you put it, you might not get the color now, but sometimes when you put it on the whatever, the color comes out. This is some cayenne pepper, and you know, so the cayenne pepper bad butter pork, and we are the grilling and all of that. Now, some people might want to put in brown sugar. Some people put in a lot because they like the sweetness. I'm just gonna be putting in just like a tablespoon, just for it to give it like a slight little, you know. But if you want a lot of sugar, you want that nice sweet taste, go ahead. Now you want to make sure you have thoroughly combined this mix. So we are gonna go now, as you know, those powdery things from time to time they get a little clump depending on how it is and all of that. So you make sure you go and use your spoon, or if you're using a wider container, you want to use a little mix, a little whisk or something, and just get it together. Combine it properly. We soon come back. Okay, now properly combined, and this is the finished look. Spicy, smelling nice, ready for a piece of ribs, ready for a nice piece of pork belly, whatever. Ready for some pig trotters. So just go right on the grill, some nice juicy picture. Ready for your half a pig going on the grill. Okay, we're doing this because we are going to be going this summer. It's not going to go by and we're not go out in the backyard, so we're going with some grilling and some chilling and all of that. Okay, now you could add extra. You could add your basil, your cilantro, your parsley if you have it. You could add some rosemary. All these things you're adding extra should be dried. Your dry thyme, you can add your dry mint leaves, you can add your dry lemongrass and all of that. Okay, so now this is ready. This is fresh. You can use it now. If you don't want to use it now, you make sure you store it in a glass bottle, tightly covered, and you can put it in your cupboard for months to come. When we return, we are going to have just the finishing of this video. Soon come. Okay, now this is your finished homemade fresh dry rub, and this one I would say for pork. This is my way. You might have another way, but make sure you're having the garlic and the ginger and some pimento seeds, as I told you. Okay, if you can't find pimento seeds, you can use whole cloves. This is nice too. It has a different gig from the pimento seeds or the allspice, but it has a lot of spice. It has a different, it seems as if it has like some cardamom or something like that in there. It has a different gig and it's peppery, but it is nice. So if you can't find your spices, your allspice or your pimento, you can use this. This is a great substitute. That's why I took out this one to show you. So remember, if you have liked this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the Jamaican cooking journey. And if you're not yet subscribed, you might want to do so. Now we'll be doing a lot of grilling and stuff, but I think most of those videos will be uploaded on my second channel on the Jamaican Debbie Strain. You might want to go subscribe to that channel. Okay? We're going to show you how we do things in a Jamaican backyard when it's summer. So I'll be using a little of these. You might want to try the grilling season is coming up on you all, so you might want to do this. Sometimes you get store-bought and you don't get the right flavor that you want. This video is just to show you how you can mix and match and make your own. You can take it to another level. You can add some dried citrus peel. So many things. Make it your own. Okay, take out your grinder. Remember not to use this grinder for coffee and other beans. This is just for the spices. Anyone that you use for the spices, don't use it for other beans and stuff. Okay, thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. Okay, from the Jamaican cooking journey, we just want to say it is so amazing. It is so beautiful. We're going and we're growing. We have a lot of things planned and all of that. And that's basically just it. Or PayPal, all our donation information. If you don't want to get to me, what you want to know, it's all there in the description of each and every video. Debbie from Donga Yard, bless, no stress.